There's no dearth of nice guys around. If you want to up your dating game with women, you've got to be the irresistible guy they're looking for and dream of. If you want to make a girl go crazy about you, you gotta do your homework on doing a lot more than just being chivalrous and funny. I guess every man would like to be in this ideal position where a woman is becoming obsessed with him. Well, in this video, you'll discover 9 tricks you can use to make any girl become crazy about you and make her want you more. Number 1. Make her play hard to get. You can go out on a date with her, make her believe you're really into her, and then take a few steps back for a few days. This will intrigue her. Leave her some time wondering what you're really up to. She will come around herself trying to figure out what's going on with you. Number 2. Make your life more exciting. Make her realize that you're enjoying your life. She needs to know your life is awesome. She needs to see you are having fun in your life even without her. The more exciting your life looks to her, the more she will want to be a part of it. You want her to be amazed and look at you and go, "Wow, what a guy." Number 3. Be a man full of surprises. Don't be the guy next door, which becomes annoying by doing the same thing every day. An intimate relationship is tiring. You need to be interesting and spontaneous. While she's expecting the date to happen at a restaurant, you can surprise her by taking her on a bike ride to your favorite spot in the city. Always take new initiatives to make her life exciting so that she won't be able to resist you. It doesn't have to be a fancy thing. Any little and simple new initiative can make a big difference. Number 4. Dress as a sexy killer. Be sexy with how you dress on all occasions. You don't need to wear expensive clothes to look sexy. Even if you're a chilled out person, always keep the standard on your look. Dressing well doesn't mean dressing up formally. With a little more attention to grooming and fashion, you'll be able to rock the casual look too. You want to be the guy she looks at and goes weak in the knees every time. Number 5. Be attractive to the ladies. Behave in such a way that ladies are always looking after you. Don't overcomplicate anything. You can still be attractive in the natural way you are. Be a popular and a desired man amongst the women. The more women she sees lusting after you, the more she will want you to herself and be afraid of losing you. Number 6. Be the man of mystery. As much as possible, act as a mysterious guy. Don't ever let her believe she has you all figured out. The more you hide, the more she'll want to know. Give her a sneak peek into your life every now and then, and withdraw every once in a while. She won't be able to hold herself back from spending more time with you. You'll always give her a reason to want you to always be by her side. Number 7. Use touch to your advantage. If she feels comfortable around you, you can use your touch to your advantage with her consent. Place your hand on her arm slightly. Place it behind her back to guide her while walking. This gentle gesture makes her feel special and secure beside you. Acting that way in a very subtle way will make her want you more. Number 8. Make her laugh. Girls really do love it when a guy makes her laugh because it gives her a taste of what it would be like to be in a relationship with him. If a guy is serious all the time, it can be boring because there'll be no place for fun and make her happy to be by your side. A girl wants someone whom she can joke around and have fun. If you make her laugh with your witty sense of humor, she will start obsessing over you because she will see a future with you. It might sound far-fetched, but this really is how women's brains work. Number 9. Be a rock star in bed. There's no skill that can match great sex. You need to know your moves right and make her go crazy in bed. As you can guess, if you do your job well in bed, she's going to want you like she's never wanted anything else in life. You'll make her feel like nothing is more important in the world than spending time with you in bed. Most of the time, women usually need to see subtle intimation to get them to show any interest in you, and if you successfully master the art, you're absolutely good to go to take the first tape. Always stay attentive to her and find a way to satisfy her fantasy at intimate bedtime. You could also try some unconventional tricks to make her absolutely want more from you and go crazy about you. So if you are able to meet this criteria and to play the game with a woman like that, you have the key to the romantic power to make her beg you in a relationship. That's it for this video today, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and notification bell so that you never miss out on any new informative video uploaded. Remember, your health is your priority. I'll see you in the next informative episode.